Ford just dropped a factory drift machine, and it's built on the chassis you'd least expect. The 2026 Mustang RTR isn't packing a V8. It's turbocharged, EcoBoost powered, and honestly, that might be its greatest strength. This isn't just another appearance package slapped on a base Mustang. Ford teamed up with Formula Drift champion Vaughn Gittin Jr. to create what they're calling the most exciting turbocharged Mustang ever built. And after seeing what's under the skin, that claim holds serious weight. Let's talk about what makes this thing special. Ford raided the Dark Horse parts bin and went to town. You're getting the Dark Horse rear subframe with stiffer bushings, adjustable strut top mounts for camber adjustment, and the handling pack sway bars. The Mustang GT contributes its six-piston Brembo brakes up front with 15.3-inch rotors, a steering rack with 72mm of extra travel, and that Performance Pack rear wing. This isn't badge engineering. This is a legitimate chassis transformation. The EcoBoost foundation actually makes perfect sense here. With 54 to 46 weight distribution, the front end is sharper and more nimble than any V8 Mustang. Ford's pumping out 315 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque from the factory. But here's the kicker. There's a Ford Performance Parts tune that bumps those numbers to 350 horses and 400 pound-feet while keeping your warranty intact. The real party trick? Ford adapted anti-lag technology from the Le Mans-winning GT race car. This isn't the flame-spitting rally car style setup, but it keeps the turbo spooled for instant throttle response when you're transitioning in a drift or hammering through tight sections on track. The drift brake and active valve exhaust come standard. Optional MagneRide dampers get RTR-specific calibration. There's even a drift-ready alignment spec any dealer can dial in. Visually, those RTR signature lit grille nostrils are unmistakable. The whole car sits on 19 by 9.5-inch Tarnished Dark Anodized wheels with optional Hyperline brake calipers. Inside you get serialized dash plaques, co-branded lit sills, and unique RTR graphics across the digital displays. This arrives summer 2026, and Ford's keeping pricing accessible. This is how you bring drift culture to the masses while keeping Mustang's performance legacy alive. Ready to rock indeed.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.